Bruges is a city in Belgium located in the northwest of the country. It is the capital of the province of West Flanders. Dutch is the official language. As can be seen on the map, Bruges is in the Flemish province of West Flanders. This is at the westernmost end of Belgium along the English Channel. It takes 20 minutes by car to get from the city of Bruges to Ostend Beach, a very popular beach in Belgium. Bruges is known for its historic architecture and well-preserved medieval old town. With its many beautiful picturesque canals, Bruges is sometimes referred to as the Venice of the North. If you like this video, follow me and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching.